Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half acre homestead, and I don't have a video for you today, but I do have a conversation with Gracie for you to view. She got quite lippy. You have to learn to behave. Don't you give me any grief. No, don't you give me any grief. You watch your lip, young lady. What the hell was that? What? Don't you wrinkle your nose at me. Don't you give me... No. You're not getting anything right now. No. I'm not saying the LIVERTREAT. I'm not saying it because you're not getting it. No liver treats. Oh, I said it, didn't I? No. No. No.
What's a liver treat?
It's a bedtime thing.
What is that?
And you only get them at bedtime. I mean it. Only at bedtime, I said. Yeah, I know you heard the BED word. See, you gotta look it. You've got your sister expectant. Well, she learns everything from you. So, you're gonna have to wait until bedtime. That goes for you too.